Hi, I'm Vanessa McConville and I'm the head of school here at Overseas Family School. I'm going to answer some key questions parents ask when choosing the right school for their child. Question 1. How does OFS support globally mobile families, especially with transitions and mid-year entries? Well, here at OFS, we understand that many families relocate at times that don't typically align with school calendars. That's why we warmly welcome students throughout the year and aim to make the admissions process as smooth and as stress-free as possible. In both middle and high school, we have a peer mentoring system, while in elementary, new students are always paired with a buddy. This means that there's always someone for each child who will help them navigate their first days, find their way around and feel at home straight away, no matter when in the year they join. Our open door policy ensures parents can easily speak with school leaders and administrative teams to get the answers and support they need when they need it. Teachers, of course, are also notified of new arrivals and take an active role in helping students settle both socially and academically. Question 2. What curriculum does OFS offer and how is it designed to meet the needs of international students? Well, we offer a suite of globally respected international curricula tailored to the needs of internationally mobile families. Our kindergarten follows the International Early Years curriculum, and our elementary students follow the International Primary curriculum. Then from grades 6 to 10, students will take part in the International Baccalaureate Middle Years programme, and starting in grade 9, they can begin studying for the IGCSEs. In grades 11 and 12, students will pursue the International Baccalaureate Diploma or the OFS High School Diploma. In fact, over 90% of our students choose to do both. And these programs are designed to build future-ready skills like critical thinking, collaboration, and global awareness. Language learning is also a core strength here at OFS. We support over 15 mother tongue languages to help students maintain their home language while studying in English. Question 3. How does OFS support students developing their English or needing extra academic guidance? Well, our student preparation program, also known as SPP, is specifically designed for students who are new to English. This is a special hybrid program combining immersive classroom experiences with dedicated language instruction, allowing students to build English proficiency while continuing to learn age-appropriate academic content, so they'll never fall behind. We also recognise that every student is unique and may need support at different stages. So through our academic intervention programme, we provide targeted support from a team of learning support teachers and assistants who work closely with each individual student across all school levels. In addition to this, we offer access to in-house specialists such as occupational therapists and speech and language therapists. And this ensures that students get the help they need in a familiar, supportive setting of school. Question number 4. What university preparation do OFS students receive, especially those aiming at top global institutions? Every student starting in grade 9 is assigned a dedicated academic advisor who helps them guide course choices and university planning. Throughout the years, universities from around the world visit our campus to speak directly with students and families. We actually also host 2 major university fairs annually, each featuring over 150 top institutions from around the world. For those students that are targeting highly competitive universities, we have our prestigious university preparation program, which offers tailored support beginning as early as grade 9, sometimes even grade 8. And this program helps students build the skills required for admissions tests, university interviews, and personal statements. And it significantly improves their chances of acceptance in some of these prestigious universities. Many OFS graduates go on to attend top-tier universities around the world, and that is a testament to the success of our comprehensive preparation and support for each and every child. Question number 5. Can you describe the overall school culture at OFS and the type of learners who thrive here? Well, the culture here at OFS is definitely defined by kindness, inclusivity, and a deep love of learning. As an open entry school, we welcome a wide range of learners, and our strong academic results demonstrate that we know how to challenge higher achieving students while also supporting those who need a more individualized approach. We believe education should be holistic. That's why we also offer a broad range of opportunities beyond the classroom, including clubs, service projects, enrichment activities, and we also have a thriving competitive sports program. All our students are encouraged to develop not only their intellect, but also their character, confidence, and compassion. Question number 6. How does OFS promote student wellbeing, helping children feel happy, safe, and connected? Well, there's a lot of things that we do in order to protect this. Alongside our academic program, we also deliver a personal health and social education curriculum. And this really helps our students understand themselves and each other. Through this program, students learn how to manage emotions, build healthy relationships, and develop resilience. As part of this, we have lots of experiential learning opportunities, including annual camps, field trips, and service learning, which further support students in building empathy, teamwork, and confidence. In addition, every school division has a dedicated team of professional counsellors who provide one-on-one or group support to students as needed. Our focus on wellbeing ensures every child feels seen, supported, and safe. Question number 7. After 34 years, what's the one thing OFS still stands for? From the very beginning, OFS was founded on the belief that every child deserves access to a world-class education in a happy, nurturing, safe environment. And that belief continues to guide everything we do. Our staff are deeply committed to knowing and supporting each child, helping them to grow academically, socially, and emotionally, so they can reach their full potential and thrive wherever life takes them, always knowing that they'll be part of the OFS family. Well, I hope that answers some of the main questions that you may have, but if not, always feel free to reach out to us and we'll get back to you.